Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Yes, this is Face TV Africa, and we want to talk about Bola Tinubu, that filed a motion to block U.S. courts from releasing his Chicago University. A lot of people have been saying so many things about this matter, but I want everybody to understand and realize one thing, that seeing President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I think is somebody that doesn't understand much about education, that will say Bola Ahmed Tinubu did not even go to school at all. Somebody like Bola Ahmed Tinubu cannot work in Mobile, and you are saying that Bola Ahmed Tinubu did not go to school. I'm very sure Mobile asked for his school certificate and they tendered it, and I'm very certainly sure that they are going to verify his certificate. So I'm just seeing this as a propaganda, and I'm seeing it like somebody want to tarnish someone's image. But to me, I believe that what Atiku did is not wrong, but what Bola Ahmed Tinubu also did is not wrong. For Bola Ahmed Tinubu to say that Chicago court should not, release his certificate to Atiku Abukakar, I don't think there is problem in that, because people have been saying that, you don't want Atiku Abukakar to expose him, to do this, to do that. It's Bola Ahmed Tinubu that have right to tender his school certificate. It's not possible for someone to go and request someone's certificate at his back without his consent. So that is ridiculous. So to me, I don't see what is wrong there, because even seeing what Bola Ahmed Tinubu wrote, I don't really see what is there. Let's just listen it together. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu filed a motion seeking to prevent a federal court in the United States from releasing his university academic records to Atiku Abubakar, his principal opponent during Nigerian February 2023 general election. Documents obtained by the People Gazette show Mr. Abubakar on August 2 approached the United States District Court for the Northern District of Illinois to issue a subpoena for Chicago State University release Mr. Tinubu's school record. I don't understand. Even Atiku Abubakar cannot even say a standard of education is better than Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Even the way they speak together, their record and everything. Bola Ahmed Tinubu stand out in terms of education than Atiku Abubakar. But just because they just want to tarnish his image, they don't want him to, to succeed in this government, they are just trying their possible best to make sure that they bring him down. I don't know the reason why Atiku Abubakar cannot wait for judgment, for tribunal judgment. But I'm just guessing, maybe Atiku have realized that he cannot win in tribunal. Maybe that is why he's looking for another way so that he can nail it down. But to me, I will just urge them to be patient, because time goes, time comes. 4 years is almost here. You will recontest as usual. So to me, Atiku Abubakar should be very patient. Labour Party, Peter Obi, should be very patient, because I think it was last week that they are carrying rumor that Fashola, SAN, is the one writing final judgment for tribunal. See something that is ridiculous. I don't understand people. They will just start somewhere and start thinking of something that they can use to cause a controversy in the country. Anything that Bola Ahmed Tinubu did, everything is wrong. Anything that he did is wrong. But I don't understand why we are behaving like this. I don't understand this. The subsidy that Bola Ahmed Tinubu removed, 3 of them admitted that they are going to remove it immediately they resume the office. So if you are now saying that Bola Ahmed Tinubu did not put some palliative in places, I understand that. But for Nigerians and for PDP and Labour Party to condemn the action totally is very, very wrong. I just want them to take it easy. I want them to take it easy. So to me, for Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I think this is the time for Bola Ahmed Tinubu to come out, request for your certificate. I think put it online. Let people see it. Nobody can see you, because you are very articulate. But Bola Tinubu is very articulate. When he speaks, you know that this person, know how to speak. Atiku Abukakar can never stand beside Bola Tinubu in time of academy. It's very, very certain. You cannot compare Atiku with Bola Tinubu, but because they are just trying their possible best to nail the man down, to make sure they bring him down, they are now using any way to tarnish his image. And this is very bad. If you are the one that got that 8 million votes, are you going to tell the Nigerian the government not to swear you in? But because everything is now turned upside down, you are now thinking that I am the one that's supposed to be there. No. They voted for Bola Tinubu, and they voted for Atiku Abukakar, and they also voted for Peter Obi. Let us take it easy. Don't let us cause war in this country. If Atiku Abukakar won this 2023 presidential election, nobody is going to fight you. They might go to court, but you can't be seeing all this propaganda, false information here and there. There are some people that are just putting all this thing online. This needs to stop. Let us stop all this rubbish. Many people thought that Bola Tinubu can never win that election. But because of their strategy, because of their plan, and the focus of that man, he won the election. And I can say it boldly that 2023 general election is one of the free and fair elections in the history of Nigeria since 1999. Do you want to compare the election that Obasanjo organized in 1999, in 2003, or 2007? Do you want to compare it with the one that happened in 2023? So because there is violence in Lagos, so a lot of people now saying that, oh, there's violence in Lagos, there's this in Lagos. Come on. Tell me where there's no violence in election in the world. Even in America, which we adopted this democracy, there is violence. In 2019, was it 2019? Trump and Biden. We all see how they invaded the house. So did they tell the judge not to swear in Biden? No. Let's stop all this rubbish and focus on the right thing. Let's focus on the right thing. Reno Omokri, he went to Chicago University. He requested for Bola Tinubu certificate, and they showed him. But because they just want this thing to just continue, just be tarnishing his image here and there, let this man focus on his government. Let this man focus on his government. Atiku Abukakar and Peter Obi, they are just looking for an excuse. This Bola Tinubu won this election fair.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe.
Face TV was Swoby.